Let's look at a tricky problem in significant figures. Now, when you look at this problem, so this is the problem, you might not realize why it's so tricky, what's so special about it. So here, what we'll do is that we'll just try to find the area of a disk. This is what we have been asked. And we know that the radius of the disk is 6 centimeter. So nothing so special here. You will say that area A is actually equal to pi r squared. The first thing we'll do is that we'll notice that this r is given to us in two significant figures. So we'll choose a value of pi greater than two significant figures so that our answer is not limited by our value of pi. The number of significant figures in our answer is not limited by pi. And then what we'll do is that we'll multiply this with r squared, which means we'll multiply it 2 times with r. Now, if you compute this value, this will come out to be 113.09. Now, as soon as you have this answer, and of course, this is in centimeter squared, we should not forget that. As soon as you have this answer, the first thing you will do, 90% of the students, what they do here is that they say that, okay, so my final answer is actually equal to 113. Now that is actually wrong. That is wrong, right? Because we have to express the final answer in as many significant figures as the least number in any of my operands. So here I have a single operand. This operand has 2 significant figures. So my final answer has to have only 2 significant figures and not 3. And this is the trick here, okay? Most of the students might incorrectly think, or some of the students at least might incorrectly think that the answer here should be 113 because that looks nice, whole number. Okay, but it is not so. We have to only have 2 significant. That is what we have. We have to have 2 significant figures in our answer because our operand has only 2. So we have answer as 110 centimeter squared. Okay, so that is what you have to remember. Do it practice several problems on this. So this just becomes your habit. The number of significant figures has to come from the operand in the case of multiplication and division, the significant figures, and in the case of the addition and subtraction, the number of decimal places in the answer has to come from the operands, and just not something which looks nice or which you feel nice about. Okay, that is not the way we do physics numericals. Okay, thank you very much.